welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you don't know me, hi, my name is Vanshika and I create fashion, food, lifestyle and all the digital content. So guys, इस वीडियो में मैं करने वाली हूँ सदर बाजार. So I have already shown you the recent collection of the Sadar Bazaar in my past video. Now I will show you what all I got from Sadar Bazaar. So let's get started. By the way, मैं आप लोगों को बता दूँ कि इस हॉल में बहुत ज़्यादा ज्वेलरी रहने वाली है. So this is basically going to be a jewelry haul. But apart from jewelry, there are itty bitty more things which I'm also going to show you. So let's get started. Talking about the jewelry, the first item we have is this very beautiful gorgeous boho silver jewelry choker, and ये बहुत ही beautiful है and it comes with this 2 earrings. ये बहुत ही beautiful है. Let me show you all. Guys, वहाँ पर silver ethnic jewelry की तो कमी ही नहीं थी. I mean there was a hell lot of variety. So this is how our silver choker looks like. ये बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल से डिजाइन है. इसके नीचे से पर्ल्स दिए हुए हैं एंड इट कम्स विद अ इंटरलॉक थ्रेड. इसको आप अपनी नेक के हिसाब से ज़्यादा या कम कर सकते हैं एंड इट कम्स विद ब्यूटीफुल इयररिंग्स. लेट मी शो यू ऑल द इयररिंग्स ऑल्सो. ये देखिए, इसके साथ इसी के मैचिंग इयररिंग्स भी मिलते हैं. सो ऑल एंड ऑल दिस इज क्वाइट अ ब्यूटीफुल पेयर. Talking about the chokers, how can we not pay attention to this beauty I am wearing? You can see इसके नीचे यहाँ पर पूरे pearls दिए हुए हैं at the end details and it comes with this beautiful small से earrings and it's in peach color. Also guys, अगर मैं प्राइसिंग की बात करूँ तो both of these chokers were under ₹200 each. Exact prices मैं नीचे mention कर दूँगी, so make sure आप वहाँ पर जाके prices check out करें. Talking about a second thing, that is this boho bangle. You can see this has a very pretty design. It has this ghungroos over here and this mirror work over here which looks tota. So basically I am a big sucker of silver jewelries and मैंने इतनी सारी silver jewelry इकट्ठी कर रखी है ना, मतलब वो क्या ही बताऊँ. आप वीडियोस में कमेंट डाउन जरूर कीजिएगा if you want to see my silver jewelry collection because I have a hell lot of collection which I can show you all obviously. So this is how our bangle looks and it has a quite nice grip as you can see. Oh my god, this piece is so stunning. इसको आप अपने ethnic wear के साथ कैरी कर सकते हैं या फिर अगर आपको इंडो वेस्टर्न आउटफिट कैरी कर रहा है then definitely you can carry this with that. This was only for ₹80. This beauty costed me only ₹8080. If we are talking about the silver jewelry, how can we forget silver jewelry earrings? I mean, that's the most mandatory part, right? So I have this stunning pair of silver jhumkas which you all can see and these are so stunning. I mean इतने सुंदर earrings है ना, मैं तो उस पर फिदा ही हो गई and they were just for ₹100. But you can see this cholki design. Guys, you can easily wear these earrings because they are so damn lightweight. I'm loving them. Guys, talking about more itty bitty things, I have this 2 full packets of rubber bands. Yes, this is a basic black one. You know, normally हम घर में basic black one ही prefer करते हैं. And the second one is quite cute. Let me show you all. So basically this is this fur rubber band and it's very soft, it's very cute. I got this packet only for ₹80 I guess, and this one was only for ₹50. So I think it's a steal deal because there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 30 pieces in this box and this packet had approximately I think 12 rubber bands. Talking about more hair accessories, हम इस चीज को कैसे भूल सकते हैं. We have this glass clutchers. Let me show you all. so pretty. I mean they are giving us proper Korean vibes, Korean accessories वाली feel आ रही है ग्लास क्लचर से मुझे. Look at the pattern. Oh my god, it's so stunning. ये पूरा ग्लास फॉर्म में है and it's in purple color with the small daisy flowers. ये बहुत ही प्रिटी सा पीस है. You can easily clutch up your hairs with them. And I got 12 clutchers. This is a packet of 12. There you will get 12 different colors. I got them for rupees 120 I think. Yes. Next random thing जो कि मैंने सदर बाजार से पिक करी है is this makeup sponge. I saw this makeup sponge earlier on Amazon and ये वहाँ पर मुझे कुछ 200 का मिल रहा था. But I got this from Sadar and basically this is used to remove your makeup in one wipe. Like ऐसा दिखाया था उस वीडियो में कि अगर मैं इसको ऐसे अपने फेस पे यूज करूंगी तो सारा का सारा मेकअप एक ही बारी में यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. So I got this only for ₹50. The last thing which I got from Sadar Bazaar is a pair of hangings. As you all know, Sadar Bazaar is already located in the premises of Chandni Chowk only na. So we have this amazing pair of hangings. In Hindi we call it like kane. And इसको हम अपने लहंगे पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Even we can use it at the back of our blouse. And ये बहुत ही cute लगती हैं. So basically my mom got this for her लहंगा. And ये बहुत ही प्यारा सा कलर है. As you can see this is magenta I think. Pink magenta. And this is the golden pearl. Here we have 3 more cushions with this sikka detail. So I think we found this pair for as cheap as rupees 80. So guys, this was it for Sadar Bazaar haul. As you all can see कि मैंने इतना ज़्यादा शॉप नहीं करा है, बट मैंने जो भी चीज़ें शॉप करी हैं आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू यूज़ दैट अ लॉट. सो गाइस, अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि मैं आपके घर के पास के किसी मार्केट को एक्सप्लोर करूँ ऑब्वियसली इन दिल्ली, तो प्लीज़ कॉमेंट डाउन द नेम ऑफ दैट मार्केट. आई विल श्योरली ट्राई टू मेक अ हॉल एंड अ ब्लॉग वीडियो ऑन दैट. सो गाइस, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. अभी के लिए टाटा, बाय बाय, सायोनारा.